So we can give you the same problem in a different way, right? A company had revenue. A company had revenue of rupees 1,000 million in 2010, which has increased to rupees 100 million in 2010, which has increased to rupees 1,000 million in 2020. What was the compounded annual growth rate for the revenue? So here also I have a problem where it is saying that your revenue was 100 million today. Your revenue was 100 million today. 100 million today, and after 10 years your revenue became 1,000 million, right? After 10 years your revenue became 1,000 million. So this is today times 0, right? So this is 1, this is 2, and so on. This is what? This is my 10th year, right? So 100 have become 1,000 after 10 years, right? So the question simply is, what is the rate? What is the rate that this 100 has become 1,000, right? So actually it's a same future value problem where I have to calculate the discounting rate. So my future value, the formula, if I understand, once I put it in the timeline, I understand that it's a future value problem. So future value is again equal to present value, right, into 1 plus r whole to the power n. Now which figure I do not know here? I know my future value in this case. 1,000 is my future value that I know. This is my future value. Okay. This is equal to present value is 100. That is what I know. Present value is 100. Right. And so my present value is 100, and 1 plus what I don't know, or rather I have to calculate, is this r, right, to the power n. I know that is 10. Clear? So if I just simplify this particular equation, then what I'll get r equal to 10 to the power 1 by 10, right? 10 to the power 1 by 10 minus 1, that is equal to, if I simplify this, that is equal to 26%, right? I cannot do it here with mouse. You please simplify, you get this number, and that is equal to 26%, or 0.26 was the answer. So percentage wise 26%. So if my 100 rupees increases at 26% per year, in 10 years this 100 rupees will become 1,000 rupees, right? Or 100 million will become 1,000. Now another two points which are important. These are called rule of thumb in time value of money, and this rule of thumb is called doubling period, because normally it is asked that how much it takes to double my money. So normally we investors do not actually apply a formula and calculate, but they actually try to calculate something which is approximate but very near, right? So we have two rule of thumbs. One is rule of 72, and the second one is the rule of 69. So how does it work? Let me see. Rule of 72 first. A bank pays 8% interest per annum. How much time it takes to double the money, right? So a bank is saying that I'm giving you 8% per annum. So another person is saying you that I'll double your money in 10 years. Now how do you compare? So when a bank pays 8% per annum, then your natural question will be how much time it takes to double my money. It's a very common question, that how much time it takes. Your fathers were telling that in our time the money used to get doubled in 5 years. Now money used to get doubled in 10 years. Now after this COVID-19 situation, money will be doubling in about 13 to 14 years. So how much time it takes to double your money? Using the rule of 72, the simple answer will be as follows. It's a rule of thumb, so answer will be not exact but very near to exact. It is 72, right? How it is calculated? 72 divided by interest rate, right? So 72 here, and my interest rate is how much? 8%. So I just simply write 8. So it takes 9 years 9 years to double my money. It takes 9 years to double my money. Sorry. It takes 9 years to double my money. Okay. Suppose interest rate is 10%, right? So my rule of 72 tells me 72 divided by 10. So it takes 7.2 years. 7.2 years to double my money. Okay. So that is my rule of 72. The second way, it is a little bit more close approximation, is rule of 69. How does it work? A bank pays 10% interest per annum. How much it takes to double your money? So in rule of 72, it says that it will take 7.2 approximation. Rule of 69 is like this: 0.35, 0.35, 35 plus 69 by interest rate. 69 by interest rate. 69 by interest rate. Okay. So 0.35, 0.35, right, plus 69, 69, right, divided by 10 will give you an answer of 7.25. Okay. So see, this is 7.2, this is 7.25. If you actually calculate this doubling period using the formula, then this will be much more closer, right? But this is also a handy tool to understand the doubling period, right? So till this point, if you have any doubt, please mail me this ID. Thank you.